Crew out there, and we're looking at some chilly weather tomorrow, Vanessa. I mean, like a brutal slap in the face in the morning.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's just going to stay cold and damp for the next couple of days, and the winds stay powerful as well. We will get a reprieve from the unseasonably cold and damp weather, but it takes some time. Live outside right now, we've got cloudy conditions over the city skyline. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour and the temperature down to 52. I want to talk about coastal flooding right now because this will be a persistent problem. We've got coastal flood advisories, statements, as well as a coastal flood warning in effect all the way through Tuesday. And that is specifically for that coastal flood warning in Ocean County, where we see the statement we're talking about along the Sound. That's about a half a foot of water over land during high tide, where we see the coastal flood advisory. That's a foot of water over land at high tide. And then where we see this coastal flood warning, we could see over 2.5 feet of water over land as we make our way through the high tide cycles through Tuesday. As far as rainfall is concerned, it's been persistently raining in many places today, mainly south of the city with a little bit of activity to the east and the north. We see the green. Those are the biggest numbers approaching the 1.5-inch mark. Elsewhere, we see the light blue. That's about 0.2 to 0.3 of an inch of rain. And as we look at the current satellite and radar picture, it really mimics the rain that has already fallen. The heaviest activity to the south. We're going to zoom in now on Ocean County and show you here we've got moderate rainfall wrapping in along the coastline, and we expect it to stay that way overnight. Showers for areas closer to the city, but more persistent rain as we make our way down shore. Setup is this. We've got low pressure off the coast that continues to churn. We'll get a little bit of a lull in the rain tomorrow, but Tuesday it begins to roll back in, and that means rainfall will be enhanced and the winds will pick up even more so. Hour by hour, let's take you through the forecast. Overnight, that steadier rain south. By tomorrow morning, we're getting rid of a little bit of the rain. We may see some brightening skies to the north tomorrow afternoon, but there's still a chance of showers, especially south and east of the city. Now, Tuesday, here's what it looks like. We're going to get more rain for more of us Tuesday and heavier bouts of rain, especially south of the city. We could pick up to 2 inches more in places like Monmouth and Ocean County as we roll through Tuesday. Notice 5 a.m. Wednesday, we're still seeing green on the screen. Wednesday could also prove to be an unsettled day. All the while, temperatures are about 10 degrees below seasonable and the winds remain strong. Tomorrow afternoon, winds are gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour along the coast, 13 to 20 miles per hour inland. And then Tuesday, as mentioned, as that low pressure migrates a little bit closer to us, gets a little stronger, we're back to gusts up to 45 miles per hour along the coastline. Continued beach erosion with rough surf. Tomorrow's 59 degrees, mainly cloudy skies in the city, mostly cloudy to the north, windy showers, especially south and east. As we look at your extended forecast, notice we have a yellow alert on Tuesday. That's because we expect the weather to be even more unsettled. Wednesday, 63. There's still that chance. It's still breezy. And then finally, that return to seasonable weather. Thursday, Friday, we should be at 70. That's where we are with sun. Saturday and Sunday, though, it's another rude awakening. I know, Maurice, you're not looking forward to these morning lows in the 40s.
I know. What happened?
Yes, it did flip quickly.
I know. All right. Thank you, Vanessa.